where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Fragments means broken parts. Narrow domestic walls means division on the basis of religion, caste, class, and color in societies and between countries of the world, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way. Tireless striving means continuous efforts and struggle. Stretches its arms. Now this means aims at achieving a goal. Stream of reason means continuous flow of thoughts. Into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee, into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Dreary means lifeless. Dead habit means old traditional rituals and customs that are harmful. Thee means yours. Ever-widening means forever broadening one's outlook. Heaven of freedom. Now this means condition of total freedom of good thoughts, good words, and good deeds, while respecting those of others. This beautiful poem has been composed by Rabindranath Tagore.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।